Once you have a house, you need to furnish it. Because of cold desert nights and rainy season floods, bed frames are an absolute necessity. Carpenters are in big demand. Carving bed frames out of wood doesn't need a lot of tools or capital, but it's slow, hard work. And the finished beds rarely sell for more than a couple of bucks. It's these guys who have figured out how to really cash in. They've converted an old grain mill into a homemade welder. Their bed frames sell for more than the house you put them in. A haircut, on the other hand, will run you about 10 cents. The barber shops are behind the butcher stalls. Most men want their hair cut as short as possible in the itchy summer heat. It also helps keep down lice, ringworm, and fleas. You don't need much to start a barber shop. A broken mirror and a brush or comb. If you can't afford the clippers, then a cheap pair of scissors will do. And a place to sit. The final touches, and he's done.